Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. Yesterday we were studying about the question answers of lesson number 12, Dr. Dolittle learns animal languages. Okay. In that first question we studied who was Polynesia. Polynesia was the name of a parrot. Okay. Now I am giving you answer of second question. Second question which is asked here is why was the doctor excited? What is second question? Why was the doctor excited? So I am writing answer of second question. The doctor was excited because he was surprised to know that animals had a language. Animals had a languages. The doctor was excited because he was surprised to know that animals had a languages or had a language. Third question which is given in the book is, what did Polynesia and the doctor do all that afternoon? What was done by doctor and Polynesia that afternoon? Polynesia gave the doctor some bird words to note down in his notebook that afternoon. Okay, this is our third answer. Question number 4 which is given in the book is, what did Polynesia tell the doctor about animals talking without making a noise? Okay, the answer of this question is, what did the Polynesia tell the doctor about the animals talking without making a noise? Polynesia said that, fourth answer, Polynesia said that animals don't always speak with their mouth. They talk with their ears. Talk with their ears, feet, tail and tail and with everything. everything. Okay, this is our fourth answer. Fifth question in the book is given is E1. When did the doctor give up being a people's doctor, although after some time when parrots helped, when the parrot helped, when the doctor got to learn the language of animals so well that he could talk to them himself. Okay, our E answer is what? After some time, after some time with the parrots, with the parrots' help, when the doctor got to learn, the language of animals, so well that he could talk to them, himself. He started, when he understood language of animals, at that time he could talk himself with them. Okay, in this way we have completed question number second. Question number 1 was already over yesterday. Second, third, fourth and fifth, all answers are visible. Can you see all these answers? Please go through these answers and write down answers in your English notebook. Okay, next question is second one. Find out and write down following from the lesson. The words that mean, is the porridge hot yet? Meaning of that word is kaka oi. Question number second. First, kaka oi e fi. Okay, this is the answer of first question. Kaka oi e fi. This is the answer of what? Is the porridge hot yet? Second one B is something that means, can't you see that it has stopped raining in dog's language? The meaning of this answer is, the sentence is what? The way the dog switches up one side of his nose because he can smell. Okay, the way, second answer is the way the dog twitches up one side of his nose. In this way, question number second, 2 questions are there. Find out and write down following from the lesson. Can you see here? Find out and write down following from the lesson. First one, kaka e fifi. And second one, something that means, can't you see that it has stopped raining? The way the dog twisted up one side of his nose. That is meaning of second one. Question number 3, gather information about how animals communicate. You have to collect information of that question. Okay, honeybees dance to tell other bees that they have found nectar. Dogs wag their tails to show pleasure. Cats move their tail when they are angry or irritated. Elephants link their trunk to show affection. You have to find out now information of this. Okay, you have to gather information and write down in the notebook. Okay, in this way, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 we will complete. Question number 4, if you could learn the language of one animal, what animal would you choose? Now this also question is for you. You have to select. Anyways, I will give you answer of question number 3, 4 and 5 in tomorrow's period. Okay, remaining part of the lesson we will study in tomorrow's period. Thank you.